We'll get you there. Where's your boarding pass at?
What?
Stand up for me real quick, man. Put your hands behind your back.
What do you?
Put your hands behind your back.
Please. It was a mistake.
On January 28th, 2024, police at Orlando International Airport received a call reporting a theft of property that occurred at the Lids Hat store.
Right. Hey Ryan, he went all the way down there by the Swarovski and where the Dunkin' Donuts is at, and that's when he came back inside and called. So he definitely came somewhere like that. He passed that. If you find any cameras over there, Whiskey Mike, dirty blonde hair, clean shaven.
I mean, even if you had a beard, it would have been
So he said
full beard.
white guy, younger, 20s, 30s, somewhere around there?
I'd say roughly 30s.
30s. Clean shaven, maybe some stubble, or just
if any facial hair, I don't remember seeing a mustache. So if anything, it probably would have been something on the chin, but there was no like facial hair up on the cheeks. I'd say roughly dirty blonde, brownish hair. I'd say probably about shorter than mine, roughly.
Okay, short hair. Okay.
Didn't really get much of anything else because again, like I had just come out right as he was kind of turning and going.
Right. So, and obviously nobody was here.
No, there was my associate, but he was taking care of a customer that was.
Oh, and he just okay, gotcha.
So it's kind of he was tied up.
There's not a huge store here, so he just took it and.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. Yeah, if you could just write all that down, that'd be great.
A police officer arrived at the Lids store to gather information from the staff. The employee provided a description of the suspect. A white male, approximately 30 years old, with short brown/blonde hair, wearing simple clothing, and had just moved toward the Dunkin' Donuts area.
This is my loss.
What is this?
It's my loss.
183. Can you also send land side as well? Right in front of Dunkin' Donuts.
I'm gonna miss my flight if I.
We'll get you there. Where's your boarding pass at?
What?
Ryan,
you have anybody else out there with you?
I already went
Negative.
through. I already
it's
went.
cooperative right now.
I already
Sit
went
down.
through security. I already went through security.
You got your ID on you?
Yeah. Yeah. Supposed to go to Las Vegas.
Got you. Want to stand up for me real quick, man? Put your hands behind your back.
What are you?
Put your hands behind your back.
No. What are you doing? What's going on here?
You're being detained.
For what?
From the investigation.
I have a flight to
What's going on?
When approached, the suspect used the excuse of being about to miss his flight to distract and put time pressure on the authorities.
What's your name, man?
What?
What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan. I'm gonna ask you a couple questions. I want you to be honest with me. We're here for a reason. You know who we are? We're the police. We're here for a reason. Okay? Hear me out.
Right.
One thing we can't get past is a lie. I'm asking you questions. I already know answers to. You hear me out?
Yeah.
Cool? So we're not just stopping you out of nowhere for no reason. Okay? Cool?
Right.
Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
What's going on here?
I'm about to explain to you. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? I just need a yes or no. Do you understand?
I need to get on my plane.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Obviously, like I said earlier, we're here for a certain reason, right?
Yeah.
I'm asking you questions I already know answers to. Okay? Please, Ryan. Please, 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 please. Don't waste my time. Let's get this over with as painless and smooth as possible.
Right.
Okay? Why are we here right now?
I have no idea.
Look up. See that camera?
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay.
Okay. Plenty of cameras around. Okay? You waste my time. This is not going to end well for you. Okay? This could go one, two ways. Did you pay for that hat?
What hat?
The hat that I took off your head. This hat right here. Did you pay for it? Yes or no?
Thank you.
Do you have the receipt?
I don't.
You don't. Did you pay with Apple Pay? Did you pay with your phone electronically?
I don't know.
Like I said, please don't waste my time. The answer to that is no. We have you on camera.
Okay.
Okay. Why didn't you pay for it?
I don't know.
You don't know why you didn't pay for it?
No.
Okay. Fair. That's why. You already answered your own question of what is going on and why you're in handcuffs. Okay? Just hang tight. I'll figure this all out and we'll be done in a second. Okay? And then based off of what those guys are doing, we'll figure that out too on what's going to happen with you. Okay?
I need to get back to work tomorrow.
We're past that right now.
The suspect's inability to prove the payment transaction, combined with the surveillance camera footage, provided solid legal grounds for the theft.
That's not right.
Simple.
I'm trying my hardest. Please, I'm gonna lose my job.
We're gonna see what they want. It's really not up to us. It's gonna be up to them. The lids people. Right, you took it from them, right? We're not the victim. If they're the victim.
I've been drinking. I've been up for 48 hours. I did a marathon.
I understand that, but unfortunately, people that drink sometimes don't commit crimes. Not everybody do. So it's up to the store, whatever you get it from, what they want to do. Our hands are tied.
I understand.
Would it still be $15?
No, it rings up as $10.65 after tax and everything. It's part of our like special semi-annual clearance event deal that we've got going on. Any hat that has an orange sticker that's 20 or 15, it's gonna ring up as 10 at checkout.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay. They told me you were alone and said to head down here, see if you need anything. Cat's grabbing the form.
Okay.
Did you see all of this?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Like I had just come out of the back room as he was turning to go out.
Oh, okay. Did you see him like take everything? Did you see him take it and leave?
It was from right here.
Yeah, it's more of, so I saw him like right here, he had the hat in his hands,
Yeah.
and right as I was like coming out, is when he was kind of like that. It's not like he saw me and dipped, it's kind of like, yeah, I'll put it back, you know what I want.
Oh, here it is.
Thanks, man, I appreciate it.
Oh, I got it.
Like coincidentally, I came out right as he was turning.
Okay, good. Good thing you caught it. Nice. You already filled a statement.
Yeah, he ready to fill out statement.
Good.
I'm gonna lose my job, man. I'm a manager.
Where you work at?
I'm a manager of a shoe store. I'm like I just came back here from a fucking
So you just here visiting?
from a marathon.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm drunk and I maybe I picked up the hat by accident.
How much did you have to drink today?
A lot.
A lot. Where'd you drink at?
It's not even a lot. I ran a marathon. I don't know. I'm loopy.
You loopy? What does that mean?
Just from running the marathon.
Okay.
I don't want to lose my job, man.
We're working on our investigation, man. We'll let you know what's going on as soon as we get more information.
Like, I'm not a thief. I'm not
We'll update you as we get more information during our investigation, man.
I still want to miss my flight.
Like I said, man, I can't really do anything about that until we finish with our investigation.
This is a psychological reaction of incarceritis, combined with the tactic of playing the victim. However, voluntary intoxication has never been a reason for exemption from criminal responsibility.
You going to jail?
We'll find out. One sec. Still investigating.
Young man, good evening. My name is Harold. I work for the airport. Okay? You're being arrested up here because you went for theft, but you're being trespassed from this airport because of this theft. This trespass means you are not allowed to come in this airport. Okay? You were seen on this property again. You will be subject to arrest for just being in the building. So you will not be able to fly out of Orlando Airport for at least what are we doing here? 1 year? No, you will not be able to come into this airport, okay? Officers, have I covered everything that you wanted covered?
Yeah, good on our basis.
All right, so you have your name, we have a photo of you. Please do not come back in here, otherwise you will be trespassed and be arrested immediately, okay? Thank you, sir.
Am I still being arrested?
Yeah.
What?
As of right now, that's what I believe. I don't know. When my partner come back down here, he'll give us more information on that. But this here is a copy of your trespass. I'm gonna put it in here with your shoes, all right?
Can you please not arrest me? I don't want to lose my job.
The trespass order ensures the elimination of security risks to the aviation infrastructure. If the individual returns within this period, he will immediately be arrested for unlawful trespassing.
It's not up to us.
I'll let him know.
It's up to Liz.
One sec, Chen.
Can I talk to them?
It's a little too late for that, brother. It's a little too late for that.
I'm gonna lose everything.
When do you
Not
get a chance?
everything. You still have your shoes in your bag.
No, I have apartments, I have a job, I have everything.
It's only $10, man. It's only
Please.
Relax.
It was a mistake. I've been working so hard for this.
Ryan's gonna take care of that. Somebody will come up and go to the office.
All right,
I'm
stand
gonna
up.
lose my job, I'm gonna lose everything.
All right.
That's it.
Yeah, show them the car.
Where's your car?
Yeah, trespassing, everything.
Yeah, so I have to move your foot in a little bit. You want to get smushed. There you go. She's a girl.
Ryan has been charged with theft/petit larceny and officially received a 1-year criminal trespass warning banning him from Orlando Airport. Every violation of the law comes at a price, and that price is always higher than the item you stole.